Let's take a look at problem number 17. It says solve the formula for a given variable. So let's look at our steps on that. Solving a formula for a given variable. Now step 1. Get rid of parentheses. And we do this via the distributive property. Though as formulas become more complex, we can actually, there's other ways of getting rid of parentheses. Second step, get rid of fractions. We multiply everything by the LCM of all the denominators. Step 3, get everything with the variable we are solving for on one side, everything else on the other side. Step 4, if the variable we are solving for is in 2 or more terms, factor it out. And step 5, divide both sides by what is in front of / back of the variable we are solving for. There we go. So let's work this problem using those steps. We got C is equal to 100 W over L. And I want to solve this for W. Well, first step, get rid of parentheses. We don't have any. Second step, get rid of fractions. We'll multiply everything by the LCM of all their denominators. Now we only have one denominator, this L, so that is our LCM. So we'll multiply everything by L. So we'll multiply the C by L, and we'll multiply this fraction by L. When I'm talking about everything, I'm talking about items separated by pluses, minuses, equals, so forth. I'm going to do that. These L is going to cancel. And we got CL is equal to 100W. Now our third step is get everything with the variable we're solving for on one side, everything else on the other side. Well, we're solving for W, and this term has a W in it, and this one doesn't. So we got everything with a W on the right side and everything else on the other side. So that step's done. Step 4, if the variable you're solving for is in 2 or more terms, it's not. Terms are separated by pluses and minuses, so this W here is just in one term. Last step, divide both sides by what is in front of / behind the variable we're solving for. We're solving for W, there's 100 in front of it, so we'll divide both sides by 100. This is step 5, I guess. I'm going to do that. These hundreds will cancel. And we got W is equal to CL over 100. W is equal to CL over 100. They don't have an alphabetical order, but LC is the same thing, so it'd be C. And let's check this. 17C. And it checks.